As we move into 2.4 again, I just want to kind of continue to show some of the tools that are inside of this MyLab statistics. Again, this has been involving measures of variation, and there's some questions about range. As we know, range is going to be the maximum value minus the minimum value. So what they do sometimes is when they give you this data, they'll give you this little icon to the right of the data. If you click on that, one of the choices is export to Excel. So I went on and clicked that and exported it to Excel. So I now have this look here. It brought the data out into an Excel spreadsheet. Right now, I have to enable the data before I can even start doing anything. So if I hit enable editing, I can now bring everything to life. Now, right now I'm on the home screen, but if I move over here to data, there's a sort button right here that can sort the data. So if I click it, notice that my data is now sorted from smallest to largest. If that does, sometimes you may actually have to highlight it or, click and drag and highlight it. So if I click and drag and highlight it, I can also, go from largest to smallest. So click that, there's my maximum value and there's my minimum value. So if I want to find the range, what I can do is click in another cell and I can type the word range. And I can actually find the range a couple of ways. One way is if I hit equals, I can actually type in 46.7 take away 22.7. If I hit enter, it should give me my range of 24. Another way to do it, you can hit the equals button and you can actually type the cell we're in. So notice how that's column A in row 1. So I can type in A1 and I can subtract in, instead of trying to type in 22.7, notice how it's column A, row 10. If I type in A10, hit enter, notice that it also does it by just typing in the cell values. So there's a couple of ways to interact with this math. So your Excel also can serve as a calculator as we move forward. So I just want to point that out to you as we continue on. All right.